Everybody seems to notice that valuations are plummeting or have plummeted. They're much lower now than they were before, especially growth stage companies. We're seeing a very active market in the secondaries where there's sometimes cents on the dollar or massive discounts. But does that make cybersecurity not really interesting anymore, not the golden goose of tech?
Definitely not. So look, when you look at the cybersecurity market over the last 20 years, it has been this point in the cycle, post 9/11, post 2008, when some of the iconic names have been built. And I think in this environment today, right now, notwithstanding where we are in terms of valuation, there are going to be some iconic names that are built and that become public companies. It's this point in the market where, investors get lean and mean, and entrepreneurs get lean and mean, and build best of breed. So we're excited about where we are in the cycle.
Yeah, I totally agree. From a broad investing standpoint, this is a fantastic time to be investing, and the fact that valuations are coming back to where they've been historically. We're still above the historical median when it comes to multiples in the public markets. That's a great thing for investing broadly. Security, I think it's still a great place to invest for all the reasons that Richard mentioned, but I think this is just a healthy thing to be happening in the market because it was not a very healthy environment in the past, if you ask me.
It's all about the passion that you have as a founder. Like if it's a domain that you're really passionate about and customers are willing to pay for it and it's solving a real problem in the world, that's like the basic principles of why you should go out and found a new company.
And the thing that happened before that hopefully isn't going to be as prevalent these days is whenever there's a good idea or a need identified in the market, there's like immediately 6 companies that get funded, right, that are all doing slight variations of the same thing. And cybersecurity, specifically, I think much more so than in other areas. And I think the fact that now there's a little bit more rationality in the market, my hope is that that's going to not be as prevalent, but I think if you look at Gen AI, maybe that's not quite the case.